quinoa is an indigenous grain in the Andes, in Bolivia.
Bolivia is the #1 producer of quinoa. Quinoa is so good for you, but they're just not using it very much. They mostly just grow it and then ship it out. For our project, we're taking quinoa and we're trying to pop it like popcorn. You can use it just as popped quinoa, or you can also grind it and turn it into the flour that you can use for other things too.
We also wrote a cookbook on ways to use quinoa in the home, or also hopefully to use it in the streets to sell, or just as a healthy additive to things like cakes and breads and pancakes.
It's really to provide options for increasing quinoa consumption in places where it's a native grain.
I think our biggest impact that we're hoping to have is just help people, either with growing it or using it or making a little extra income.
Providing a novel way for them to enjoy something that's good for them, and to bring them back to some of the things that are culturally specific to them, makes research and developing these processes really meaningful.